In today's world, protecting our data is more important than ever. We must ensure that our personal information remains secure and out of the wrong hands. Yesterday, we discussed the potential risks associated with visiting popular retail stores. Today, we're diving into the strategies we can implement to safeguard our data from malicious hackers and exploitation. It starts with being vigilant. Pay close attention to your surroundings, keeping an eye out for anyone trying to access your private information. Use secure payment methods, like contactless payments or chip-enabled cards, to minimize the risk of your card details being compromised. Avoid oversharing. Be cautious about providing unnecessary personal details, especially when filling out forms or participating in surveys at the store. Regularly monitor your accounts. Stay vigilant by reviewing your bank and credit card statements for any suspicious activity. Report any unauthorized charges immediately. Protecting our data is a shared responsibility. Together, let's prioritize data protection. Stay safe, stay secure.